Good morning, afternoon, or evening, kindergarten. This is Mr. Werkema again. Today, I wanted to do a little bit of a math lesson. So, in my class, whenever I introduce addition and subtraction, I introduce these two different characters. And those two different characters are Gus the plus and Linus the minus. And I just kind of wanted to read my two poems here, but then also give you guys a few ideas of things to do at home. I'm going to just give a few ideas here and there. Maybe you guys can tell me or anything in the comments things you do at home, but I'm going to just give you a few ideas. I'm going to try and make this a shorter lesson just because there's so many things you can do after to practice your addition and subtraction. So I want to read my poem about Gus the plus first. Oh, I love this one. So Gus the plus. Ooh, let's do it right there. Gus the plus is a generous young man, giving to others whenever he can. He'll show you how, I'm trying to read it backwards, how many that you can have in all. When he comes around, your sum will grow tall. He adds numbers together so that you will have more. With help from Gus, adding is never a chore. And if I look down here, I see 4 plus 1. So I like how I see him grabbing both numbers because he's about to put them together to make, oh wait, what's our answer? 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Oh, can you say that with me? 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now, I want to go to Linus the minus before I quickly show you a fun activity. And I'm going to leave this lesson there. Don't worry, we'll talk more about Gus the plus and Linus the minus. Linus the minus. Linus the minus is a naughty young lad, always taken away. He is oh so bad. When he comes around, you will end up with less. He makes big differences, but he'll never confess. Oh, sorry, a big difference. And then I see he has 7, and look, he's taking away 3. He's taking away. I always go, take away, or take away. Or I think about those, seagulls in Finding Nemo where they go, mine. I think minus means mine, so he's taking it away because he thinks it's his. Now, an activity I really like to do is I like to make my own Linus the minus and Gus the plus and use them to make problems. So I have 2 note cards here. You can also just use a piece of paper. Anything that you have at home is wonderful. And I'm going to make a line, I'm going to do them this way so they have room. Linus the minus and a Gus the plus, and I'm going to use them to add and subtract things around my house. So, for example, if I have markers, I could do a problem like 2 plus 1, and then what would that equal? Now, you can also grab a third note card to write an equal sign on as well, which would be wonderful. But we're going to kind of touch into this, and I'm going to cut away because I'm going to show you what my cards look like and do just one quick example before we finish up. Thank you guys so much. I'll be right back. Welcome back. I have finished my Gus the plus, so if you see, he looks pretty similar to the one on there. I can do him however I want, though. However you want to make your Gus the plus, or, there he is, Linus the minus. You can make them however you want. Add more decorations. And remember, I'm going to keep these because I'm going to use them. And if you look, I kind of made a nice little model. I did 2 stuffed animals plus 1 stuffed animal. I did my equal sign. Who can tell me what answer this? Oh, that guy's so cute. One of my favorites. 3. Now, I'm going to keep those number cards as well because I'm going to be using this. For example, I did 3 colored pencils minus, so I'm taking away 2 colored pencils equals what number? 3 minus 2 equals 1. Not coffee cup. 1. Now, once again, I'm going to keep these, and you know what? If I wanted to, I was talking the other day, oh, you know what? Let's see if I can. The other day about making a museum with some things. Could I make an addition and subtraction museum? Absolutely. There's a lot of fun things you can do. I'm going to cut away just to do one little outro, and then we'll be ready to go. Hi, kindergarten. I'm going to let you guys go. We're going to talk a lot more about Gus the plus and Linus the minus this week. I'm going to come up with a few other activities we can do. But once again, like, it would be a great thing just to make a quick card for Linus the minus and Gus the plus, and kind of just add and subtract things around your house. Once again, make sure it's okay with your parents. Ask them, and maybe you can even keep them out for a while. Change them around every day. That'd be a really fun, great thing to do. Either way, I just wanted to say you guys have a wonderful day. Remember, work hard. Have a great day. Thanks so much.